Well, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Are y'all getting tired of looking at me in this coat? You know you're a YouTuber when... fill in the blank. Okay, you're trying to shoot 3 videos at the same time. Damn! I can't remember what I'm doing, what I'm supposed to be talking about. Oh my God. So here's video number 3 for this day. So Shane and I talked about it on the show, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. We forgot about it, but it's come back to our memories now. So we're going to do a weekly Dollar Tree challenge to see who can find the best stuff in Dollar Tree. The limit is 25 bucks. So basically I got to find 25 items. We'll post the 25 items, and then I'll show you, I'll film going into Dollar Tree and then looking around, and then I'll show you what I ended up on. I'm probably going to go to 3 or 4 Dollar Trees today. These are, since I'm headed to Nashville, and I've added them to the route so that I can kick Shane's ass. And the way we're going to decide who wins or not is the Fortunes of Reselling Facebook group. We'll put a post in there, and you guys can vote for me or Shane. So they'll be in the Fortunes of Reselling, and on this video I'll link to Shane's video here, and if you haven't watched his first by any chance, he'll link to mine, and then you can watch them both and go vote and who wins. And we're going to do this so much fun we can. We're probably going to change stores as well too. Just, you know, I'm down in Alabama, he's up in Illinois, so he's got Chicago, I've got Atlanta, Nashville, Birmingham. So hey, that's fair, right? So who is the better retail arbitrage person with 25 bucks in their hand? I'm gonna kick his ass, I already know it. So keep following along. Thanks for coming along with the journey. You just, when you're out doing RA by yourself, and I'm on the phone, I'm like, I need to invent things to do for my personal entertainment. So that dang Dollar Tree challenge, this is gonna be awesome. All right, see you in the Dollar Tree. All right, first Dollar Tree. What can we find? Have y'all dropped the price yet?
That's where you get to drink green beer.
Oh my God, y'all see that? This is what happens when you tell people this stuff who don't understand pricing. You actually lose money. We might have to hit him with some books. All right, so Dollar Tree number 1, I ended up spending 7 of my 25 bucks, and I started a stack of books. Just be careful with the books. I'll talk about the receipt here later on, but because they use their own barcode, I will write down each ASIN on the receipt. and take a picture of the receipt with the book. And I pay with it using my card that's on file with Amazon, so there's no doubt it's me. So if there's ever any questions about a book, that's the way you have to do it. So if you're going to buy books from Dollar Tree, you really need to be extremely diligent and make sure that you can show provenance to where that book came from, so in case anything ever happens. And I've got 7 of them. 6 out of 7 actually had their barcode. One had the regular barcode on it, which that one's fine, but the other 6 I need to document. All right, on to the next. Some stuff.
In the end, we're all just chalk lines on the concrete, drawn only to be washed away.
All right, the Dollar Tree challenge continues. Oops, let's lock the van. The Dollar Tree against Shane continues. Spent 7, still got 18 more to go. Yeah, no, I struggle with the math. That's terrible, ain't it? And I've never actually been in an Aldi, so I'm gonna go with Aldi next because I don't know. Might as well go, right? I see toys. I know Shane's probably in a store that they cleared out for him so he can video. There'll be nobody in this video. Hey, look, the last store I went in didn't even have books. This one, we're gonna beat Shane in his own game. Books. Some of these are, you gotta be careful. See the condition on that one. That'd have to be used very good. Man, what a mess. All right, I'm gonna start scanning, see if I can find something. Again, we're back in Huntsville today. Still working on the Dollar Tree challenge. Still trying to find enough stuff to kick Shane's ass in the Dollar Tree round of retail arbitrage wars. So, never been in this Dollar Tree. Let's see what's up. Okay, I got a couple of those. The dying gift bags. I got some placemats. I got some more books. So we'll walk you down the aisle here. Here's the crazy book section. There were a couple that I would have bought there, but they were all bent up. And then there's money. The Disney stuff, if you can sell Disney, there's money in the Disney stuff. I'd have bought more of the snack stacks, but of course there's only 2, so I bought the only 2 they had. So open your eyes when you're in here, you know, a couple dollars at a time, but if you're trying to build it on a low budget, this is a good place. Just anything that hits my video, just beware, it's going to tank shortly. All right, this is the haul that's going to kick Shane's ass. Got 2 gift bags. These 3 books. The reason why that book right there, $14.44, Walmart was selling it for that, so it's a good price. 2 of this one. These are all going to be sold as like new. The Rain, I think that might be the most expensive book. 3 of that one, 1 of that one, 1 of that one. Anything with Frank Sinatra, you got to look up. This one, I don't know what it was. And this one, got 2 of the snack stands. I'll put links to all these. Catalyst, Infinity Home, Cutaway, the Simeon, and then a 2-pack of these. I think I make a couple bucks. I make $1.50 on each of those, so there's 2 of those, and then there's that same 2-pack. So that is the entire haul. Excuse the mess. I had to find somewhere I could show this because I just finished those 4 boxes that are going in, but as you can see, it's not getting any better because I keep buying stuff. All right, and yeah, it's real bad over there. All right, so I'm gonna put you some pictures up here so that you can see all this stuff. The one thing is truly be careful, because I was looking at the Dollar Tree receipt here a minute ago. Let me grab it. And as you can see, there are no barcodes, there are no nothing. So you really have to be careful with your documentation. If you're gonna sell books new, you can sell them like new and take $1 or so off of them. They'll sell just as fast. You'll be amazed how fast a like new book sells. So all these will be like new, and especially the ones with remainder marks. You have to put that in the description that it has a remainder mark. All right, so let's go. Let's make some screenshots for the victory. All right, for those of you who thought that I was just kidding, here's the other side that y'all never see. Boxes, 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 boxes. That box is full. One of below is full. These guys are... So that's why when I tell you that I'm overwhelmed with inventory, oh my God, is that not crazy on the other side? And y'all think, oh look, it's just shelves. It looks so organized. All right, so as you can see, I have shown you all the products and I added them up here on my trusty little sheet. $75.88 profit after cost, and then I took $1 off for each book because I'm gonna put them at like new, $1 less than whatever the buy box is. So yep, $75.88. You can probably think of 15ish, maybe 20 to ship max. So 55 to 60, 65 bucks is realistically a profit in your pocket before taxes. Of course, you'll get a 1099 from Amazon, and you'll have to pay Uncle Sam. But I don't ever talk about that because each purchase situation is different. Your tax level could be different. So, all right, so go to Fortunes and Resale on Facebook group, and vote for the bearded picker. That other guy, not so much. We'll see you next week in the next episode. Roll Tide.